We had some time to kill, and I have a few things on my list for Trader Joe's, so we're gonna go enjoy our time at Trader Joe's. And since I'm over here, I thought I would try to show you some new items. Just check out whatever they have. It's always fun to look at the new items at Trader Joe's. I did see that apparently at some stores they sell allulose or an allulose blend sweetener, so I'm interested in checking that out, seeing what the price is on that. So let's head in and get shopping. I have Talia and Renee.
Hi.
So pretty. Yeah, those are aloe.
Mom.
Yeah, baby? Yeah.
Yellow flowers, but just pink.
They are. Actually, mine look just like this.
Oh.
And actually, they came from here. Someone gave them to me, and they were from Trader Joe's. Watermelon fruit spread. That looks interesting. Watermelon fruit spread. Does that sound good to you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, like some treats? Yeah, we'll get those closer to time when it's time to go. Don't need to get them yet. Oh, these look good. Everything ciabatta rolls. Too bad I don't eat that kind of thing.
These look like the bread you made.
Yep, they do. All right, here's some new items. Let's see, vegetarian chili. It's kind of a pasta sauce. That looks interesting.
In the car?
No, those are. Oh, maybe we'll check them out. Those look interesting. Sure, you want to try those in the car?
Yeah.
All right. Ooh, I heard about these. These look good. I'm gonna get some of those for sure.
Hey, is that the sample?
No, no sample. Cold brew barbecue sauce. Wow. A lot of sugar, or else I would get that. This looks good. Don't really like the sunflower oil.
What is that koala thing?
Where? Oh, yeah. Hard cider with the koala bear.
Can we try it?
Sweet and spicy pickles and onions. That looks good, except it has sugar. Aloe vera gel. Ooh. Crispy Thai chilies and sesame seeds. Well, that looks interesting. It has wheat flour. No, those are plant-based pork rinds.
What?
Plant-based pork rinds? What in the world? Just eat a pork rind. Oops. Pinto beans.
What?
Coffee. Ooh, this looks good.
Oh, Mom. There's no sample. I put this stuff down.
Those look good too. Carolina Gold barbecue potato chips. I've seen these around. They're like little, not quite tortillas, not quite sandwich thins. They're like, I don't know, mini pizza crusts. What are the ingredients? Cauliflower, eggs, cheese. Yeah, they look tasty, but they're $4 for 4 of them, so $1 a piece. That's a little spendy. Cauliflower pizza crusts. That's interesting. Similar ingredients to the little rounds. $5 for 2 of them, I think. That's a lot. My husband loves this, so we'll grab a few more of those. Grab one more. Oh wait, no, not this one. That's the wrong one, actually. This is the one he really likes. So can you grab, let's get 4 all together. That's some Smoky coconut Aminos. I heard it was good.
What is coconut?
It's kind of like soy sauce.
I really like those because I'm going
The
to make a taco.
taco shells? Oh sure, let's get a couple. We'll have taco night. taco night one night.
Taco night tonight?
Not tonight, but one night. I always grab these when I'm here. These are my favorite. Get 4. That looks good. Fermented black garlic. That's interesting. This one I think is new, but first ingredient is sugar. That looks like all I need there. Oh, here we go. Look at this. 12 ounces for $4.99. So it is a mixture of allulose and stevia. Huh. That's a good price for $4.99. All right, Renee, you ready to get your peanuts? All right, roasted salted peanuts. This is what you wanted, right, Renee?
Yes. Wait, are they salted?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Let's just go ahead and get 2.
Chocolate chips?
Not here. We'll get those at Costco.
Okay.
This looks yummy, although somewhat spicy. I might try that because it just has olive oil for the oil.
I see some coconut.
Oh, I was going to look for coconut for you. So I know you love it. Grab 4 bags. Renee loves coconut.
I mango, but I like the banana chips more. 3 fried blueberries.
I've heard these are really good. Oh, yeah, rice crackers. Let's see if they have the plantain chips that you guys like. It's either right here.
Those are what Grammy has. Okay, wait. There's different kinds?
There are. These ones are spicy, but these ones are good. Yeah, we're not getting those.
Can I try one of these?
Those ones are a lot. Well, wait. $1.79 for 6 ounce and $1.99 for 5 ounce. We could try one. I know they're good. We've tried them before.
Pretzels.
Yeah, those are good.
Butter filled. I want to try those.
I've got a couple more of these. All right.
Wait, we need to get some seaweed.
Oh yeah, I don't know if I like the one here because it might have oils that are not as good. Seaweed.
Seaweed.
Did you see it?
I didn't.
No, I didn't see it either. Seaweed.
Oh, seaweed.
Those sure look good. Yum. I might get one of those for the kids to try. What do you think, Tal? Does that look good?
Dark chocolate. Whoa. That sounds weird, but I want to try it.
All right, I think we did enough damage. Let's go check out. See where we're at.
Damage?
Yeah. Did we do some damage?
No?
Damage to my bank account?
A little bit.
Look at this. This is honey sauce. But it's spicy honey sauce. That looks yummy.
Weird. What's this? Sweet?
Honey, vinegar, chili, pepper flavor. Yeah, sweet and spicy pickles and onions. Turkey burgers. They opted to test the dark chocolate drizzled plantain chips in the car. All right, you guys ready? You gotta give your review. There's one. Oop. There you go, Renee. Ooh.
Thank you. Gotcha. I mean, plantain chip with chocolate.
How can it be bad? Does it make the plantain chip better that it's with chocolate, or would you rather just eat plain plantain chips?
They're about the same.
Yeah, they're both good.
Deliciousness. I think they taste better.
You think they taste better?
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty good. Here's my Trader Joe's haul. I got 5 bags of the regular plantain chips. The kids love these, and these smaller bags are nice to like throw in when we're going somewhere. Easy snack. Renee requested though that we try these as well. They're a little bit more expensive than the other plantain chips, but they're really, really good. They're like thin and crispy, like a potato chip almost. They're really good, but I don't buy them as much because they're a little bit more spendy. Renee requested some peanuts for her trail mix, so we stocked up on those. My husband really likes this Tea Tree Tingle body wash, so I grabbed 2 of those for him. That's not the one that I like the most. I like this one. That's very nice. It's a citrus body wash, so it smells really good. It is very refreshing in the morning. I decided to try these wool dryer balls. They are something you can put in your dryer instead of dryer sheets. Helps keep the static down and all that. I've never tried them before, so I'm gonna give them a try. Let me know if you have and what you think of those. Then I heard from Risa of Risa's Cluttered Kitchen that this Smoky Barbecue Coconut Aminos is really good, and I love coconut aminos, so definitely gonna give this a try. It's organic also. I got 2 bottles of that. I love this onion salt. It's so good. I use it on so many things. So whenever I go to Trader Joe's, I always stock up on that. I got 4 bottles. Renee also requested dried coconut. She loves this in her trail mix. So the Trader Joe's is her favorite. So we got 4 bags. She already opened one and had some in the car. Talia wanted banana chips for her trail mix. So we got a big bag of those. Levi also loves those. This is another favorite of my husband's, the Hatch Valley salsa. And he eats this on eggs and any kind of Mexican food that we eat. But he loves it on scrambled eggs and omelets and stuff like that. So got 4 of those so that we could stock up. Renee thought these looked good. We were gonna open them up in the car, but then we changed our minds to the plantain chips. So they haven't opened these yet. I'll see if I can get a taste test here at the end of the video to see how these are. They're not necessarily low carb because they're still sugar, but they are grain free, so kind of paleo-ish. But they do have regular sugar in them. But they got almond flour, butter, sugar, chocolate chips. So they look fairly paleo and definitely gluten-free. And then Renee requested some taco shells to make tacos with. These are organic. I don't love that they have, what oil do they have in them? Oh, safflower oil and sunflower oil. I don't love that. I try to reduce vegetable oils in our diet as much as possible, but every once in a while we make a splurge, and she requested tacos, so I went ahead and got those. And you already saw the dark chocolate drizzled plantain chips. I'm gonna see if the other kids wanna taste these and give their opinion. Okay, this was what I was looking for when I went in, the Alulo Sweetener blend. It's 12 ounces for $4.99, which is a pretty good price. And so this is not just pure allulose, it's allulose with stevia in it. And allulose by itself is not as sweet as sugar, so you have to use more than a cup of allulose to a cup of sugar in a recipe. And I think probably adding in that stevia that's a lot sweeter than sugar evens that out a little bit. So hopefully it measures cup for cup with sugar, and I'm interested to try that out. I may not try it in the egg white bread that I make because I think the stevia might make it too sweet, because I don't want to make the bread sweet. I just use the allulose for the browning effect that it gives. So I'm not sure. I'll see what I use this in, but I'm excited to give that a try, and I was excited to see that Trader Joe's was carrying something like this. I think I passed over this without mentioning it. This is Chili Onion Crunch, and I have not tried this. It looked really good. It has, let's see, olive oil, dried onions, garlic, bell pepper, chili peppers, more onion, sea salt, and natural flavor paprika. So of course this would be good like to dip bread into, but I don't eat bread. I guess I could dip my egg white bread into it and see how that is. But if you have any ideas of what to use this on, let me know. I am gonna try to figure it out, but it looked worth trying, so we'll see how it goes. Total that I spent at Trader Joe's was $98.56, and I think getting out of Trader Joe's under $100 is a pretty good win.
This? Yeah, these.
All right, you want to do a taste test? Oh, Charity, you need to do a taste test on these too. You see what that is?
Yes.
Does it look good?
Yes.
Try one.
I'll open these.
Okay.
It is delicious.
Delicious. Does it taste better with the chocolate on it than just a plain plantain chip? Like, does the chocolate make it better?
Better.
Okay, these ones do have eggs, so we need to make sure Levi doesn't get any.
Oh, he's right there.
Oh, but he can try the plantain chips.
Oh, I got two.
Did you taste it, Renee? What do you think?
And it's all right.
It's only all right. Yeah. Okay, Charity. What do you think of the almond flour chocolate cookies?
I agree with Renee.
You agree with Renee? They're just all right.
I like the first taste. I don't really like the aftertaste.
Oh, okay. Good to know. Talia.
They're a little crumbly, a little dry.
crumbly. Here, this is what they look like.
Dry and
You want some banana chips,
powdery.
Levi?
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
fine.
Okay.
I mean, it's not.
How many
Terrible.
thumbs up do you give them? So you liked the plantain chips better?
Yes.
Okay, that's a better treat.
I will eat those.
All right, Renee, what do you think? How many thumbs up do you give them?
Wait.
Three thumbs up. Okay, sounds
Mom,
good.
I want to open this and eat.
You would like some banana chips?
Yeah.
I also have a plantain chip for you to taste that has chocolate on it.
Oh. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Try it before it melts. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Look over here. Can I see your face? What do you think of that plantain chip?
Good.
Is it really good or just a little bit good?
That's a little bit good.
Just a little bit good? Is it kind of icky or a lot icky or not icky?
Not itchy.
Not icky. Okay. How many thumbs up do you give it?
One.
One thumb up? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Not super high praise from Levi. All right, you ready to try the banana chips though?
Yeah, I eat them outside.
You want to eat them out of the bag?
Yeah.
He's gonna eat all of them. He has specifically out of the bag.
Yeah, he could eat that half of that bag if I let him.
You could eat the whole bag.
That's what he did last time we went to Trader Joe's on the way home. I just gave him the bag and he just ate and ate and ate and ate.
Yeah.
Are those good?
Yeah.
And how many thumbs up do you give the banana chips?
A one.
A lot?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. How many is a lot? 5?
Yeah. No.
There, look, it's
There's-
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5.
That's a lot of thumbs up.
Teddy, now I have one. Ah! Oh no, it fell. Oh, Super Levi saved the day. Thank you, Levi.